Accepting a train order. A train order will be delivered in a proposed state, represented by a grey border. F1 is greyed out until the order's details have been viewed. Order details may be displayed across multiple screens. To view the order's details, press the down arrow. All screens need to be viewed and can include special instructions. Return to the order by pressing the left arrow. F1 is now available and can be selected to accept the order. Or you can reject it by pressing F2. A confirmation window will be provided. To confirm order acceptance, press the tick, or press the cross to cancel the acceptance process. An hourglass is displayed while order acceptance is processed. The order's border will turn green when processed. The train order is now current. This completes the Accepting a Train Order Electronic Authorities module.